Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a monthly calendar in Google Sheets that you can easily print and use for tracking your schedule, organizing tasks, or even just adding a bit of structure to your month. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or simply trying to keep the family organized, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, printable calendar customized just the way you like it. Let's jump right in. I've already started a basic calendar layout in Google Sheets just to save us some time. That means we already have the days of the week from Sunday across to Saturday as our header and the dates filled in for the month. If you're beginning from scratch, you'll want to label your columns with the days and fill out the dates underneath. But since that's pretty straightforward, we'll focus on making the calendar easy to use and great looking on paper. First up, let's freeze the header row so that your days of the week stay visible even if you scroll down. This is especially helpful if you're working with a bigger calendar or tracking lots of things and want to keep your place. To do this, look up in the very top left corner of your sheet. There's a little gray bar right by the A and 1 labels. This bar is the freeze tool. Click and drag it down so it sits just below your first row, right under those Sunday to Saturday headers. This will lock the top row in place. If you've never tried this feature before, you'll be surprised at how much easier it is to keep track of your info. Next, let's make sure there's enough space in each calendar day to actually write in notes, tasks, or appointments when you print it out. Here's a quick tip: hold down the Control key or Command on a Mac and click on the rows you want to expand. These would be rows for each week in your calendar. Once they're selected, hover your mouse between row numbers and drag down to make them taller. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get just the right height. You want enough room to jot down a couple things each day, like meetings or reminders, without it looking too crowded. Now for the step that really sharpens up our calendar, adding borders. Highlight the entire calendar area. That means your header and all the dates. Once it's all selected, look up to the toolbar and find the borders icon. It kind of looks like a box with different sections shaded. Click on it and then choose the option that adds borders to all the internal cells. This simple step makes each day pop out individually on the page, so it's way easier to use once it's printed. It's a bit like drawing grid lines with a ruler, but way faster and neater. Alright, you're almost there. The last step is getting your calendar ready for printing. While your calendar is still selected, go up to File in the menu, then click Print. In the print setup that appears, make sure you select Selected Cells. This tells Google Sheets to just print your calendar, not any extra blank space or notes around it. Take a moment to preview how it looks. If something's off, you can go back and tweak your row heights or borders and check again. When you're happy with it, hit Next and then Print. Pause for a moment and admire your work. You've just created a totally customized calendar that's ready for your wall, fridge, or planner. And that's it. If this video helped you create your own printable calendar, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for next time. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear, practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.